Hey guys, one of the biggest problems that you run into is trying to find something to put your butter on. Did that come out right?
Sure, yeah.
Okay.
Well, the way I say it is you need a vehicle for the butter.
A vehicle for the
I need
butter.
a vehicle
Other than
for the
bread.
butter.
Other than bread.
Bread, crackers, and pancakes.
English muffins.
Although I make English muffins and pancakes and waffles wheat-free, sugar-free, so I can put butter on that. But I stumbled across this recipe. It was actually called a biscuit recipe. It's not reminiscent of a biscuit. It's actually like a little piece of bread, and the texture, it's like 4 ingredients. Texture is really cool. It's very bready. As a matter of fact, I don't have it right here, but when this recipe posts, I will have worked out the measurements for a loaf pan because it rises beautifully, and you can slice it, and I think it would make awesome toast, even sandwich bread. It really holds together nicely, yeah.
And we have the grass-fed butter.
Yeah.
It's actually cows eat the grass, not the butter eats the grass.
Grass-fed butter.
Doesn't sound right. Mm-hmm. You're gonna like this.
Mm-hmm.
Is it hard to make?
What do you think?
It's very simple.
Right. The texture's really great. And you know, when it comes down to it, bread doesn't have gobs of flavor. It's a vehicle for the butter.
So many people like bread and muffins, so you know, you should...
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you. But I was just gonna say another thing I love to do with bread is dip it in like an Italian oil. Warm this up and soak it in some Italian oil or something. It would be a good solution, a good alternative.
Absolutely.
Charlie.
So check this out, how to make it, and I think it'll be very easy for you.
Yeah.